Can you save snaps in gallery without them knowing? In this tutorial, we're going to find out if you can save the snaps from your chat without the other person knowing. So let's just open up our Snapchat. And once you are inside your Snapchat, just go ahead and open up your chats. Tap on the chat from where you want to download the picture. So from here, what you want to do is just select the chat and then now just select a picture that you want to download. So simply go ahead and long press on the picture, and here you have an option to save to camera roll. If you tap on it, as you can see, Snapchat immediately notifies the other person that you have saved a picture from the chat to your camera roll or to your gallery. So let's try it one more time. If we try to long press on it and save to camera roll, as you can see, the Snapchat will immediately notify the other person. So there is no active way that you can save snaps from your chat without them knowing. Even if you try it like this, you could set this as your chat wallpaper, but this is a premium feature. So there is no option to download the snaps without them knowing. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. I'll see you on the next one.